कॉमनवर्ड 2000 डिक्टेशन नंबर 14 वी रेडी स्टार्ट ओपनिंग द डिस्कशंस श्री N.M. Subramaniam general manager Northern Railways said he was very happy to welcome the representatives of the chamber to the meeting full stop. He then referred to the memorandum of points for discussion submitted by the chamber and said that he had consultations with the concerned departments and the note placed on the table contained the views of the administration full stop. In order to save time, he suggested that the chamber's representatives might confine themselves to any further views which they may have on the various subjects for discussion and clarifications. Full stop era. Sri D.S. Gill, Chairman of the Transport and Communications Panel of the Chamber, thanked Sri Subramaniam for providing opportunity to have a free and frank exchange of views on rail transport problems with the members of the chamber full stop. He said that quite a number of problems detailed in the chamber's memorandum were in existence for some years, and since they continued to exist, the chamber was anxiously looking forward to this meeting for some time full stop. Such discussions are of great benefit as these promote better cooperation between the users and the operators of the railways through appreciation of each other's difficulties. Full stop era. He said that the chamber appreciated Northern Railways endeavors to cope with the requirements in spite of several problems faced from time to time. Full stop. There were, however, areas in which the railways could do much better than it is at the moment actually doing, some of which have been detailed in the said memorandum. Full stop era. The subjects covered in the memorandum were then taken up. Full stop. Some of the points were further detailed by the representatives of the members of the chambers who raised them as a result of practical difficulties faced by them from time to time while with the railways. Full stop. The remarks of the railways administration on the various issues raised are given below for information and reference purposes. Full stop era. The railways are in full agreement with the view of the chamber. Full stop era. Booking restrictions are imposed only when certain terminal or transshipment point gets congested. Full stop. It is imposed only when unavoidable and its purpose is to ensure the overall movement. Full stop. In views of this and other points mentioned in the discussions, an advance notice about these restrictions cannot be given because they are imposed when the situation gets out of control, and if a few days margin is given, there will be a tendency on the part of the stations to book much more additional traffic, due to which the terminal or transshipment point will get completely congested and the booking restrictions may have to be continued for a very much longer period. Full stop era. The difficulties faced by the firms at Rajpura are not very clear. Full stop. On a number of occasions, discussions were held by the Delhi division officers with the director of industries, Punjab, and representatives of trade with regard to the various facilities available at Rajpura, full stop para. The director of industries, Punjab had agreed to bear the cost of providing a new siding about 800 feet long at a cost of approximately rupees 35,000 to give more facilities to the traders. Full stop. The matter is under reference with them. Full stop. As soon as the matter is again considered at any level, the members of the chambers will be intimated either through the director of industries himself, or he will be sending information to the secretary of the chamber, who in turn will circulate the information to the members. Full stop.